how to change phone number on Facebook. So if you want to change your phone number on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And now you need to scroll down a bit, go with settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account center section, which will be in the top. From the account center, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of personal details. Tap on profiles and personal details. Then scroll down and go with personal details right here. Go with the phone number. And if you want to change your phone number, then you just need simply go and select the phone number and remove it. Go with delete number. And after deleting your numbers, you need to go with add mobile number, which will be on the bottom. And then add another number. So go and enter your mobile number and then go with next, which will be on the bottom. And you'll receive a confirmation code to your number. You need to enter that confirmation code and your phone number will be added. So that's how you can change your phone number on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.